Hello and welcome to drillingcontractor.org. This is Kelly Ainsworth at the 2018 SPE and IADC Middle East Drilling Technology Conference in Abu Dhabi. I'm with Jim Thorne, IADC's Division Vice President for International Offshore. Thanks for joining us today, Jim. How are you?
Very good. Thank you very much.
What are some of the bigger challenges and opportunities that you see for offshore contractors coming into 2018?
I think one of the biggest challenges is obviously the ramp up, or potential ramp up of operations, which obviously will mean training, retraining of people, competencies that have disappeared. And that kind of falls onto the opportunities for a lot of the training systems coming through, but also the opportunities for the drilling contractors to put rigs back to work.
And how can IADC help offshore contractors to either address the challenges they're facing or harness some of the opportunities?
I think they've done IADC at the moment with the KSA job titles, etc. They've really put something back into place. The additional thing that we're working on now is the HSE guidelines, safety case guidelines for the land rigs, which is obviously going to help us. It hasn't been done for a while, and now we're in the middle of updating it, so it should be out within probably end of this year, early next year. And those are one things that we're looking at.
The theme of this year's conference is building on today's efficiencies for tomorrow's market. How do you see this theme being applicable for offshore drilling contractors?
I think the key thing here we have to look at is effectively moving into the digital age. So obviously looking at the amount of data that's coming off the rigs, what is available and how we can use it. Everybody has this data, but I don't think at the moment there's not really one person looking at it, how to optimize what they can do with it, what are the real benefits that it's giving. And I think until there's either a consistent analysis of that and really to see how that advantages will help, that's where the key progress will be made in the efficiencies that the rigs and the drilling contractors can give the operators.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Jim.
No problem.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.